In Europe, strikes are causing quite the disruption, especially for those flying in and out of France. The Civil Aviation Authority has advised airlines to cancel a significant portion of flights at airports in Paris and Marseille, as workers push for wage increases. This means around 40% of flights in and out of Paris Orly will be cancelled, with 25% at Marseille Provence Airport, and 15% at Paris Beauvais. It's not just the skies that are affected, expect cancellations on the railways and metro in Paris as well. Meanwhile, across the channel, baggage carousel workers at London's Heathrow Airport plan to strike on 13 separate days in October, and Alicante Elche Airport in Spain will also experience disruptions due to strikes from private security staff. On the other side of the globe, the Department of State has updated its travel advisory for Israel, the West Bank and Gaza. This update reflects the authorized departure of non-emergency U.S. government personnel and eligible family members due to the continued threat of terrorist attacks in the region. The advisory advises against travel to Gaza due to terrorism, civil unrest, and armed conflict, and also recommends avoiding travel to Israel and the West Bank due to similar concerns. In brighter news, there's a new airline on the horizon. Beond plans to launch operations to the Maldives next month with premium seating on narrow-body planes. Initially, Beond will fly 3 routes between Malé and Dubai, Milan and Zurich, offering a luxury leisure experience with lie-flat seats, tailored entertainment, high-end meals, and limousine service. However, be aware that in-flight Wi-Fi is not currently offered, and the airline does not yet serve the US. As we all know, travel isn't without its risks. It's always a good idea to research crime rates and travel advisories, get travel insurance, make copies of important documents, and have a daily itinerary. Blending in with locals, being cautious of pickpockets and scams, avoiding unsafe food and water, practicing good hygiene, and being aware of potential dangers in different situations can all contribute to a safer travel experience. If your travels are taking you to Amsterdam, prepare for a higher tourist tax. The daily fee for cruise ship visitors is set to rise to €11, and the nightly fee for hotel rooms will increase to 12.5% of the room rate. In the realm of sustainable travel, there's a new concept making waves: regenerative travel. This aims to have a net positive effect on the environment and communities visited. Travelers can evaluate a company's regenerative claims by considering if their activities actively leave a positive impact, if they support a non-profit, and if they have goals and measurable targets for growth and development. And finally, a word to the wise: avoid the pitfalls of traveling with the wrong company. A recent discussion revealed frustrations with companions who were more interested in creating an illusion of excitement and exoticism for social media than in experiencing the trip itself. Being pressured to perform for the camera can certainly take the joy out of travel, so choose your companions wisely. Travel safe, travel smart, and most importantly, enjoy the journey.